All right, so Gabe at True Mechanical here, back at it. A couple weeks ago, a customer called and asked if I would put an alternator on their 2017 Honda Accord. I was like, well, are you sure it needs an alternator? And they're like, yeah, we checked it and it tests bad, so on and so forth. So I came out and put the alternator on it, and it was weird, man. It was weird. So you crank the car up, and the alternator wouldn't put anything above 12.4 volts out. Wouldn't put anything but 12.4 volts out unless I turn the lights on. Turn the lights on, and it would put 14.4 or 14.6 out. And that was after I replaced it, because I didn't test the old one, because they said they had tested it already. So I run the test a couple different times. Couldn't get anything else but 12.2, 12.4 with the lights off, and I would get 14.4, 14.6 with the lights on. Now, all these newer cars, I'll go ahead and tell you, because I already figured it out. Alright, so this is your battery current sensor. I could unplug it and the alternator would charge like it was supposed to, whether the lights were on, whether the lights were off, whether it was in auto mode, whatever. It didn't matter. I could unplug this battery sensor and it would go to charging like it was supposed to, but wouldn't charge with the lights off if that was unplugged, which means she would die going down the road eventually. So I had her order a new battery sensor, and crazy thing is it's a special order part. You know, you either get it from the Honda dealership and they want $110 for it, or you got to order it offline somewhere because you can't get it from any parts store. So yeah, and here in just a sec I'll post another video where I tested that sensor, the new sensor, tested resistance on that one, and then I'll test resistance on this one, just so you guys can see a difference, because there is a difference. So